Good morning and welcome to all. Students, yesterday we learned a new lesson, chapter 5, pronouns. What is pronoun? Then we went through the types of pronouns. Personal pronoun, in that we went through subjective, objective, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, relative and reflexive pronoun. Today we are learning the second pronoun, that is possessive pronouns. Okay, possessive pronouns. Pronouns that helps us show possession or belongings are called possessive pronouns. Okay, the things which show our belongings, we belong. He is my father. Whose father? My father. He belongs to me. Okay, whose book? It is my book. Okay, it is mine. That books belongs to me. So possessive pronouns are used to show the belongings of the person or things. Okay, the possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, etc. are the possessive pronouns. Next is using possessive pronouns and adjectives. Okay, using possessive pronouns and adjectives. Julie's car is red, mine is blue. Whose car is red? Julie's car, but mine is blue. So we are using possessive pronouns and adjectives. Okay, same thing, a possessive adjective is usually used to describe noun and it comes before it like another adjective. So my car is bigger than her car. My car is bigger than her car. So possessive pronoun shows belongings. They are called possessive pronouns. The example of possessive pronouns, the using possessive pronouns and adjectives. Second, the possessive pronoun adjective is usually used to describe noun and it comes before it like another adjective. It comes like another adjective. Second, we are going to learn the interrogative pronouns. Now I told you yesterday what is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. So pronoun which is used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. They are there. There are 5 interrogative pronouns. Who, what, see. Who, what, whose, which and whom are the interrogative pronouns. The example here we have taken. Who is the President of India? Okay, asking a question. To ask a question and at the end of the sentence there is a question mark. Who is the President of India? What is your name? What? आपका नाम क्या है? Who is the President of India? कौन है? Who is used for कौन? क्या है? Okay, so these are the example of interrogative pronouns. So possessive pronoun shows the belongings. Okay, shows the belongings, and interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Okay, dear students, now after learning the possessive pronoun and interrogative pronouns, let's go through the exercise about possessive pronoun on page number 43. From the pronouns given in bracket, choose the right one to complete each sentences below. So the first one, you can take these cookies if you want. They are cookies. Okay, cookies is a plural form. So whose cookies? They are XYZ, any person it can be. So they are mine. Okay, they are mine. So we have to write here mine. Okay, they are mine. Second, while Madhu and I are still looking at our homework, Anil completed dash long ago. Anil is a boy. Okay, Anil is a boy and Madhu is a girl. Here three options are given: his, her and him. His, her is used for a girls. Him is an objective here, so we will take his. So we have to write in the second blank his. Okay, Madhu did not even start. Okay, Madhu did not even start. She did not start? She did not start her homework. So here we take hers. Here we take hers. What hers? Hers homework. So Madhu did not even start hers yet. Okay. Next, we must finish our work quickly. I am doing dash and you should dash. So we must finish our work quickly. I am doing. So I naturally for I possessive pronoun is mine. So we have used here mine, and you should do, you, and possessive pronoun is yours. So we have used here yours. Okay, we have used here yours. Next number is number 5. I didn't have a racket to play badminton with, so my friend Riju gave me dash. Who has given? Riju has given. Okay, Riju is a boy. So here we take a his. Okay, I didn't have a racket to play badminton with, so my friend Riju gave me his. Okay, the next is, I saw this bag lying in the field. It is. I saw this bag lying in the field. Is it yours? Okay. Is it yours? We have to write yours here. Number 7. The color of my bag is blue. This is not. So the person is telling my bag color is blue. So this is not. What is not? My. So this is not mine. It is not mine. Number 8. Rita was looking for her bag too. It may be. So Rita also was looking for her bag. And I don't know what was the color of his bag. So it may be hers. Okay. It may be hers. Okay. So dear students, in the first blank we have taken mine. Second his. Third hers. Fourth, mine and yours. In the fifth blank, his, yours, mine and hers. Now, let us go through the exercise that is on the page number 45 about interrogative pronouns. Okay. So, fill in the blanks with the suitable interrogative pronouns. Okay. Interrogative pronouns. Dash is late for the class today. So somebody must be late for the class. So it is spoken in the class. So who? We are speaking about a person. So we will take who. Okay, who is used for the person. So who is late for the class? Dash are you waiting for? Okay. So what are you waiting for? Dash is this umbrella. Okay. So somebody's umbrella is lying here and there. Okay, somebody is asking whose is this umbrella, means किसका है. Dash is your staple diet. आपका staple diet क्या है? So we will take what here. What is your staple diet? Dash is your cat's name. So naturally, whenever we ask a question for somebody's name, we say use what is your cat's name. Number F. Dad showed you the way to school. Now somebody must have shown. We are using at the beginning so for the person we use who. So who showed you the way to school? Here we can use both which and what. Which is your favorite book and what is your favorite book. Both the way we can use this. Next is I can drop you home. Okay. Where is used to show the place. So where is used here? Where is your house? Dash have you invited? Okay, again somebody is asking to somebody who has arranged a party. So he is telling, so as I told you beginning, who. So who have you invited and whom? Kis ko. Who એટલે single person. Whom? More than one. To whom have you invited? The last one is dash is more important food for him. Which is most important food for him. So, who is late for the class today? What are you waiting for? Whose is this umbrella? What is your staple dash? What is your cat's name? Who showed you the way to school? Which is your favorite book or what is your favorite book? I can drop you home. Where is your house? Who have you invited or whom have you invited? Which is more important, food or film? Okay, let's go to the second exercise. Read the following sentences and underline the interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives. Write IP for interrogative pronouns and IA for interrogative adjectives. They have done one for us. Dear students, okay, dear students, like demonstrative pronouns, some interrogative pronouns can also act both as interrogative adjective also and interrogative pronouns also. When these words qualify noun, they act as interrogative adjective. See now, in the first sentence, play is a noun. Okay, in the first sentence, play is a noun and which is an interrogative adjective. So it qualifies a noun, play. So it is written here, it is IA, means it is an interrogative adjective. So when these words qualify noun, which words? These words. When these words qualify noun, then they act as an interrogative adjective. Okay, and when they stand for the person or thing about whom or which the question are asked, they act as interrogative pronoun. See, what do you want to say? Okay, what do you want to say? When they stand for the persons or thing, what do you want to say? Now here somebody is asking a question to one of the person. So what do you want to say? So when it stands for the person or thing about whom or which, okay, the question are asked. The question is asked to a person. So naturally it is an interrogative pronoun. Naturally it is an intro. So our second sentence is of interrogative pronoun. Same thing in the third sentence. Who is the composer of the Indian national anthem? Okay. Now who is the composer? Okay. So here is about a person. Okay. It stands for the person. So who is used, and naturally I told you who is used for the person. So again it is an interrogative pronoun. Number 4. Who is your best friend in this class? So who is used for a person, stands for the person. So it is interrogative pronoun. Which students cannot sing our national anthem correctly? So now this which. See, dear students, this which is an interrogative adjective. But what it qualifies? Noun. Which noun? Student. So it is interrogative adjective. What is the color of your bag? Blue or red? It stands for color of your bag. Stands for the person. So it is interrogative pronoun. Okay. Whose responsibility is to collect the litter from the field today? Okay, litter from the field today. Now responsibility is a noun. Responsibility is a noun. So it qualifies the noun. So number G is an interrogative adjective. Whose book is lying on the floor? Whose book? Book is a noun. Whose? So again it is interrogative adjective. Which season is your favorite? Season, noun. So again it is an qualifies a noun, so it is an interrogative adjective. We can order either Chinese or Indian food. Which do you prefer? Okay, which do you prefer? So it stands for okay, so it is interrogative pronoun. So dear students, the first sentence is of interrogative adjective. Second is interrogative pronoun. Okay, so here in the blank we have to write like this, and here we have to underline the words. Okay, so write down these both the exercise which we have discussed in our today's lecture, as in your textbook as well as in your notebook. You have to complete it. Have a good day and thank you to